Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to play fantasy hockey. So let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your account and then you have to press on hockey right here. And after that it's gonna pop up this screen and you have two choices. You either join a league or you create one. I'm already in one league, so I'll show you the setup in it. So if you wanted to create one, you just have to press on create. And then it's going to ask you the size of the team that you want. And it's going to ask you if you wanted to make it head-to-head points or head-to-head to each category and some other options right here. So you press on create and then this screen is going to pop up. You have to copy the link. And then this is the league that you've created. You have to press on it. And you have to press on league. And in here you have all the settings that you want. So you're just going to press on league manager. And you have all the basic settings in here. You have the basic settings. If you wanted to change the league type, if you wanted to change the numbers of the teams, and also if you wanted to delete a specific team, you can press in here. And if you wanted to delete a league, you can simply press on here. And in here you have the draft settings, and you can manage it as you want. The salary cap, the auto pick, and the offline one. And you can edit the draft order in here. You can simply make it manually or as a recommended as you want. And the scoring settings right here, which you can manage by yourself if you want. And the managers right here. So if you wanted to remove a manager or something, you can simply press on remove and then you can confirm. And last thing, invite. You can simply invite people by copying the link and then send it to your friends and all of you can play together. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.